What's good, y'all? It's your boy Josh, and I am back with another video. We are in DC this week, and we're just really out here for a nice, relaxing vacation. We needed another one, like just as soon as we got back from Savannah, and I really wanted to come see my brother. My older brother lives here in DC, so I feel like it was the perfect opportunity. It's a lot going on in the city this weekend, so I was just like, hey, let's just drive up to DC and get into some stuff. Right now, we're gonna go to breakfast, and after breakfast, we're just gonna explore the city, take you guys around, show you what the city has to offer. DC is literally by far one of my favorite places to visit, so we'll check it out, see how it goes, and you guys come with me. I am walking into someone else's house. I'm literally walking up into someone else's place. Yikes, that was embarrassing. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a second. Howard, baby. HU. Is that how y'all say that? HU. Nobody's on the street right now, so that's why I don't have it on, but I will put her on. In DC, they actually do wear their masks, people. We're on our way to Bus Boys and Poets, which is the iconic DC restaurant, food chain, I guess you could call it. And we're gonna get breakfast. I've actually had them for lunch, and they were straight for lunch for sure, but I feel like breakfast is gonna really be delicious.
Black-owned restaurant.
It's a black-owned restaurant franchise, so that's crazy because I think they're thinking about building one in Atlanta, so.
Yeah, that man did tell us that.
For all the Atlanta people that like to go to brunch, because you can get your mimosas and everything.
Bus Boys will eat up the rest of the girls.
Yeah, no, Bus Boys is gonna eat up the girls when it comes to Atlanta for sure. But yeah, we're going to Bus Boys and Poets, gonna get breakfast, and then after breakfast, who knows? We're kind of just back doing what we love to do. We're home right now, so like literally any and everything goes. So yeah. Let's one, let's two, let's go, let's take. I would be everything, yeah. Just make my dreams come true. Oh. If you can tell me what song that is, I will cash app you $20 right now. Only the first person to tell me what song that is, though. Okay? The first person. And only the people that watch this video are gonna even know what I'm talking about. Going this way?
No, it's right here. It's right there.
Oh, right there, right there.
Yeah, right here. All right.
After you, Miziel. All right, guys, this is what we have.
This is my happy food.
Some wings, delicious. Thank you so much.
Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter.
All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love.
Choir boys.
Choir boys. We're at Blagden. We're at Blagden Avenue. And it's just an assortment of, I guess you could say, like pieces of art, like on the, yeah, they're like murals on the gates out here. And they all are like on separate ends. It's just a parking lot though.
It's literally just
a parking lot. It's not really anything. It's okay though. because I'm still having fun.
Blind. Blind.
Yeah.
Black Lives Matter.
We're here at the Black Lives Matter mural, soaking in all of the amazing power, black power. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's really nice. Definitely something worth seeing, especially in 2020, seeing this in 2020 in Washington, D.C.
It's like street activism.
It's like street activism. It's definitely a protest in and of itself, especially it being right in front of the White House right now. Yeah. Wow. It's way longer than I expected it to be. This is just the black. There. Still the lives and the matters.
Oh, dang, I didn't realize that.
Like, it goes all the way down.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And Michelle,
Ooh,
and
we love
different
Beyonce.
country, and all kinds of cool people.
Wow,
Okay.
cool.
Maybe an aunt, or take several. Because,
Okay.
Yeah, I've got more in this box over here. And
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate that.
So what are these?
Engage young people for Black lives.
Asian for Black Lives Matter.
I love that though.
on the track.
Yeah, what are those?
So the Asians for Black Lives lady gave us these origami butterflies.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
And I believe on the inside of the origami butterfly, there's like a message from somebody, like an icon, like Beyonce or a quote from Martin Luther King or any of that. And she made these in solidarity from the Asian community, Asians for Black Lives. Isn't that unique? She just did a little something that she felt would encourage and uplift the black community. It was free. She just gave them out to us.
And that's a very important role.
But yeah,
Activism in many forms, you know.
activism in many forms. For Black Lives. Can I get a picture right here?
Yeah.
Hey, so out here, sweaty and nasty. I want you guys to see the real me.
God is good.
God is so good. We just had to come back with a praise report because we parked by like a government building pretty much, and our car got taken away. Can you imagine like walking up to where your car is supposed to be and being like,
My car is not There.
Where's the car?
In Washington, D.C.
In Washington, D.C. Like, man, call the people on the thing. I'm not overreacting yet. And call the people on the thing, which is like, let's just figure out how much it fucking cost to get out of the pound. And then we'll leave this place. We'll go home back to Atlanta 2 days early. So we find it, we have to walk like 3 miles to get to where they re-towed the car. So they towed it from one spot and then they parked it in another spot. They relocated it for, drum roll please. For free. For free. We didn't have to pay anything.
They valet parked our car for us.
They valet parked our car for us in DC. Let's move here. Flowers in the ceiling. Ooh, you scared me. Little outfit drip. Artechouse 2020. You can make it happen. For you.
I was never the guy to beat drums.
Yeah, they was not to beat the drums guy at the schoolhouse. All right.
I don't know how to beat drums with a pencil.
I don't know why this music makes me want to do. We're here at the Artechouse in DC. This is art meets technology. And it's pretty crazy down there, as you can see. But yeah, it's just like art exhibit. That's like technology meets some artists meets like visual interactive house place. And it's pretty cool. For the most part, you can get a lot of cool pictures and do a lot of virtual stuff. Make sure you use your student discount. Don't forget that. Major fee is not $20.
Wow, it's so many
Wow.
of them.
It's a bike protest, y'all. I didn't even know these things existed.
I told
We
you,
protest
activism in every form.
by biking here.
Activism in
Activism in every form for sure.
That's what it takes.
Come on, guys, keep up, guys. Murdering the food, though. Oh my God. Rich beaches. Rich beach. What'd you say? I love food so much. Is it good?
It's great.
Yeah.
No, it made my breathing better.
Oh, that's great. They're at Jenny's Ice Cream.
You literally got it. They got more air pockets.
More air in there. Doesn't that look delicious? Yeah. Wow, we can eat it in here.
Yeah, I feel like Yeah. Just left dinner.
Just left dinner. Left dinner and drinks.
Yeah.
Enjoying the DC vibes. You know, been having a great night. Gonna keep having a great night. The night is still young. 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 And so are we.
Where?
Is our car right there?
Yeah, I think that's the one poking out in the street. You feeling good?
I'm feeling pretty good. That thing we ate earlier was like, it put me in like a good spot. Like I feel like eating the whole thing at once would have been
Great for the
right on
museum. Not the museum, the art exhibit.
But yeah, no, I'm feeling pretty good. And yeah, I'm just ready to on to the next.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be an eventful day too.
It is.
We still
Tomorrow's
got
gonna
2 more days.
be 2 more days and then oblivion. Who knows?
Yeah.
After that.
We may
fall
end
off
up
a
somewhere else.
cliff. Need to plan and think about.
Yeah, we should just look at what it will take.
Yeah.
Proper planning. What does piss poor planning get you?
Nowhere.
Yeah. Nowhere. Yeah. All right. Good night.
Checking what you guys in a sec. Oh.